Hi guys, today we will be discussing your Module 6, which is about single trade discounts and discount series. But before that, please listen carefully and pull up your notes and pen. For our objectives, you will be able to identify single trade discounts and discount series. You'll appreciate the importance of single trade discounts and discount series. And last, you will be able to solve problems involving single trade discounts and discount series. For our learning competency, you will be able to compute single trade discounts and discount series. So first, let's define some terms. One, we have list price, also known as suggested retail price, catalog price, or original selling price. So, yung mismong price ng product. Pangalawa, we have discount. Siguro naman familiar tayo dito. Discount, a deduction from the usual cost of something typically given for prompt or advance payment or to a special category of buyers. So we have two kinds of discounts. We have trade discount and cash discount. So sa trade discount, usually we encounter this sa pag-purchase natin in purchasing goods. Kunyari, kung bibili ka sa isang seller, may certain amount siya na dinedicate for a discount. So, halimbawa, sa mga mall, madalas, di ba, meron tayong sale. So, pwedeng 20% off, 10% off, depende sa tinakda ni seller. While we have cash discount, ito namang cash discount, madalas siya sa payments and services. For example, um, for your credit card payment, bibigyan ka ng 5% discount dun sa bill mo if nakapagbayad ka 5 days after na-receive yung invoice or yung bill. So, yun naman yung halimbawa ng cash discount. For the trade discount, meron tayong two kinds. We have single trade discount and discount series. So, sa dalawang yun, dun tayo magfo-focus. So, next, we have discount rate, a percent of the list price. So, pag sinabi natin discount rate, ilang percent ba dun sa original price yung mababawas? So, next term, we have net invoice price or net price. Net price of an item is found by subtracting the trade discount amount from the list of the item. So, ibig sabihin, yung net price daw, ito na yung binawas na yung discount dun sa original price. And last, we have trade discount. Trade discount is a reduction from list price granted to buyers. Trade discounts could be either a single discount or a series of discounts. The difference between the list price and the net price. So, yung trade discount naman, yun yung amount na nabawas dun sa original price. For the first kind of trade discount, we have single trade discount. Single trade discount are commonly known as one-off discounts that is offered to customers when their purchases meet a specific condition that would trigger the discount. So, for example, we have you will get a 35% off if the total amount of your purchase is 100% and above. So, from the word itself, single trade. So, kapag tayo namimili, 'di ba? Makikita natin sa SM, once na pinurchase natin yung isang bagay, may naka-designate na agad na single discount. So, halimbawa, for a minimum of 500 pesos, makaka-less tayo ng 10%. So, ganun. So, these are the formulas that we need to use for us to solve different components under single trade discount. So, first, in finding single trade discount, we have TDS equals R times LP, where TDS is single trade discount, R is the discount rate, and LP is the list price. Next, for finding the net price, we have NP equals LP minus TDS. So NP is our net price, LP is the list price, and TDS is the single trade discount. And for the last, in finding list price, we have two formulas. LP equals TDS divided by R, and LP equals NP minus NPR, where LP list price, TDS single trade discount, R discount rate, NP the net price, and last NPR is the net price rate. So since madami-dami yun, we have here the triangle of formulas. I hope ito yung mas kabisaduhin nyo, mas gamayin nyo para
For a
magdodrawing
better
na lang kayo and
understanding,
alam
we
nyo
have
kung ano
examples
yung
here.
operators na gagamitin nyo if
Jem
it is
came to
division
June's
or
store to
multiplication.
buy rice
Makikita
cakes.
natin dito sa
Mr.
triangle
June
na to.
then told her that if she purchased 5 kilos of rice cake, then he will give her 30% off. And Mr. June sells his rice cakes for 100 pesos per kilo. So we have to solve for the following: A. Trade discount, B. Net price, C. List price. So for the given, we have the selling price, 100 pesos, since Mr. June is selling his rice cakes for 100 pesos per kilo. But since Jem needs to purchase 5 kilos to avail the discount, then the list price will be 100 times 5. Since 5 kilos yung bibili niya, so yung list price natin magiging 500 pesos. Then, kapag 5 kilos yung pinurchase niya, makukuha niya yung 30% off. So, our discount rate will be 30% off, or in decimal, we have 0.30. So in finding the single trade discount, we have TDS equals R times LP, or we have the discount rate multiplied by the list price. So we have 0.30 times 500. Then we'll get the single trade discount, which is 150 pesos. So ibig sabihin, yung maliles ni Jem, kapag bumili siya ng 5 kilong rice cake, from 500 pesos, mababawasan siya ng 150 pesos. So next, for the net price, kailangan lang nating isubtract yung discount dun sa original or sa list price natin. So we have NP equals LP minus TDS. So 500 minus 150, then the net price is 350. 350 pesos. So ibig sabihin, yung total na babayaran ni Jem is 350 pesos only from 500. So, another way of solving the list price, if the given is only the single trade discount and the discount rate, we'll use the formula LP equals TDS divided by R. So, our single trade discount is 150 pesos divided by the discount rate, which is 0.30, and then we'll get the list price or the original selling price, which is 500 pesos. So for another example, Jem came to June's store to buy rice cakes. As she looks for the rice cakes, she noticed a bag for sale at a net price of 750 pesos with a net price rate of 40%. So solve for the following: list price, trade discount, and the discount rate. First, we have to solve for the list price. So we have the formula LP equals NP divided by NPR. So substitution, we have 750 divided by the rate or the net price rate, 40%. So just express it in decimal terms. we have 0.40. So 750 divided by 0.40 will get the value of list price, which is 1,875 pesos. Next, we have to find the trade discount and the discount rate. So for the single trade discount, we have the formula TDS equals list price minus net price. So we have 1,875 minus 750, then the total discount is 1,125. And in finding the discount rate, we can use two formulas. So first, we have R equals TDS divided by LP. So substitute, we have the value 1,125 divided by 1,875. So we have 0.6 or 60%. The second way, we just have to use this formula, R equals 100% minus NPR. So expressed in decimal, we have 1 minus 0.4 since we have the value of NPR, which is 40%. And then we will still arrive with 0.60 or 60%. So after single trade discount, we have trade discount series or chain discounts. So it refers to a discount that you offer based on a number of difficult conditions. It also requires its customers to meet different conditions at different times. So ibig sabihin, sunod-sunod to na discount from the word itself, series and chain, sunod-sunod, kabit-kabit na discount. So, hindi lang siya isang discount, pwede mo pa siyang patungan ng patungan ng discount as long as na mi-meet mo yung requirements na dinedicate or na designate ni seller. So we have two methods in calculating trade discount series. We have step-by-step method and complement method. For example, Jem came to June's store to buy 5 kilos of rice cakes. Mr. June welcomed her as she considered her a regular customer. He then gave her a 30% off for purchasing 5 kilos. Aside from that, she is also entitled for 5% off since she has a loyalty card. On top of that, she came to the store on Happy Shopping Hour that gave her another 5% discount. So, meron tayong tatlong discount dito. So, solve for the following: net price and trade discount. So, in solving the net price, we have two methods that we can use. But first, we use the step-by-step method. So, how do we compute for the trade discount series? If Mr. June is selling his rice cakes for 100 per kilo, so ito yung mga discounts na maa-avail ni Jem. First discount, 30% off for buying 5 kilos. Second discount, 5% off for the loyalty card. And the last discount, 5% for coming on the Happy Shopping Hour. So, ito yung way how to use the step-by-step method. So, since 5 kilos yung bibili niya, we have the list price as 500 pesos. So, tandaan natin tong formula na to. Ito yung gagamitin natin, yung sa trade discount, R times LP, and the net price, LP minus TD. So, for the first discount, makaka-discount daw si Jem ng 30% off sa pagbili niya ng 5 kilong rice cake. So, from the list price, so we have 500, kunin natin yung 30% nun kasi we will have 30% off, diba? So, we have 500 times 0.30, then we'll get 150 pesos. Yung 150 pesos na yun, i-minus natin dun sa original or dun sa list price. Then we will get the net price, which is 350 pesos. So, yung net price na yan, para pa lang yan dun sa first discount. So, sa second discount, magiging list price natin yung net discount na yan. So, ang second discount ni Gem is 5% rather, dahil meron siyang loyalty card. So we have 350 times 0.05, then we'll get 17.50 pesos. Yan yung na-discount niya. Ima-minus ulit natin siya sa list price, which is yung 350 pesos. Then we'll arrive to the net price, which is 332.50. So, para ulit yan, para pa lang yan sa second discount. Meron pa tayong last na discount. So, magiging list price ulit yan. So, our list price now is 332.50. So, ang discount naman niya, pangatlong discount, 5% dahil pumunta siya ng happy shopping hour. So, 332.50 times 0.05, so we'll get 16.625 pesos. Yan yung na-discount niya the third time. So, minus ulit natin siya dun sa list price. So, 332 minus 50, 332.50 rather, minus 16.625, then we'll get 315.875. So, that's our final net price. So, next method, we have the component method. So, ito ulit siya yung first discount natin, 30%, second discount, 5%, third discount, 5% again. So, for the first step, subtract each trade discount from 100% and convert to decimals. So, our first discount is 30%. So, 100% minus 30, we get 70%. So, next, discount 5%. So, 100 minus 5, 95%. Last is still 5%. So, we still get 95%. So, sabi dito, convert 70%, 95%, and 95% to decimal. So, we'll have 0.70, 0.95, and another 0.95. For step 2, multiply all the complements together to get the net price factor. So, net price factor equals 0.70 times 0.95 times 0.95, then we'll get 0.63175. So, the net price factor we have is 0.63175. Sabi dito, note, net price factor is also known as the net price rate. Kasi yung 0.63175, ayan yung pag minultiply natin yan sa list price natin, makukuha natin yung net price. So, parang ganun lang din siya. Ang kailangan naman nating hanapin dito ngayon is yung discount, yung total na na-discount. So, single equivalent discount, 100% minus net price factor in percent form. So, minus lang daw natin. So, 100% minus 63.175%. Then we get 36.825%. So, our single equivalent discount, yung total nung tatlong discount is 36.83% nung list price natin or nung original price. So, last compute for the net price using the formula. So, nasabi ko na to kanina, we'll just have to multiply the net price factor to the list price. And then we'll get the net price, the final net price, which is 315.875. So, pares lang siya dun kanina sa step-by-step method. So, ang pinagkaiba nga lang, yung step-by-step method, medyo mahaba siya, pero straightforward siya. Magkakabit siya, makukuha mo siya. Kaso nga lang, mahabang steps. Dito naman sa sa complement method, kukunin natin yung net price factor para makuha natin yung net price. So for me, kung saan kayo mas sanay, even in long method or short method, ang importante is mag-arrive kayo sa tamang sagot. So for the last, hinahanap yung trade discount. So list price minus net price lang ito, then we'll get 184.125 pesos, which is our trade discount. So that's all for me, guys, today. I hope you learned something. You can now proceed answering your modules. If you have any questions, clarifications, kindly send me a personal message. So that's all. Have a nice day.